the British Bank of the Middle East robbery, a heist for the ages. In the annals of daring heists, few can parallel the audacity and intrigue of the British Bank of the Middle East robbery, an event that unfolded amidst the chaos of the Lebanese Civil War in January 1976. This mastermind criminal operation, executed with cinematic flair and precision, remains one of the most infamous bank robberies in history. The backdrop: Beirut in turmoil. The Lebanese Civil War, raging since 1975, had transformed Beirut from a bustling cosmopolitan hub into a divided city scarred by sectarian violence. It was against this backdrop that the British Bank of the Middle East, then one of the most significant banking institutions in the region, found itself an inadvertent participant in a historical crime, the heist, a blend of brute force and ingenuity. In the early hours of January 20th, 1976, a group of armed assailants, allegedly members of the Palestine Liberation Organization, PLO, targeted the British Bank of the Middle East in Beirut. What set this robbery apart was not just the timing, in the midst of a civil war, but the method of entry. The robbers, displaying a blend of brute force and ingenuity, used explosives to blast through the wall of a neighboring Catholic church, which shared a common wall with the bank. Once inside, the challenge was to crack the vault. Here, the robbers demonstrated remarkable expertise. They brought in professional safecrackers from Corsica, who expertly navigated the vault's sophisticated security mechanisms. The contents of the vault, comprising gold bars, currency, stocks, and valuables, were theirs for the taking. The aftermath: a heist of legendary proportions. The exact amount stolen remains a matter of speculation, with estimates ranging from £20 million to a staggering £50 million. The heist, executed with such precision and audacity, quickly took on legendary status. In the chaos of the Lebanese Civil War, the robbery was more than a mere criminal act. It was a bold statement of opportunism and skill. The complexity of the operation, the use of explosives, and the involvement of international safecrackers underscored the lengths to which criminal organizations would go to exploit the vulnerabilities exposed by a society in turmoil. The robbers capitalized on the chaos, knowing that the Civil War would provide a perfect cover and that law enforcement would be preoccupied with the broader conflict. The investigation, hampered by the ongoing war and the intricate international dimensions of the crime, yielded few results. The robbers and their Corsican associates vanished, melting away with their multi-million-pound haul. The British Bank of the Middle East, despite its robust security measures, could not withstand the combination of criminal ingenuity and the lawlessness bred by war. The legacy: lessons in security and vigilance. The British Bank of the Middle East robbery serves as a stark reminder of the importance of security and vigilance, especially in times of political and social upheaval. Financial institutions worldwide took note, reinforcing their security measures and re-evaluating their risk in conflict zones. For students of criminology and history, the heist remains a fascinating study in the intersection of crime, politics, and war. It underscores the reality that in times of societal breakdown, the lines between political action, warfare, and criminality can blur, creating opportunities for those willing to exploit them. The robbery also had a lasting impact on popular culture, inspiring books, documentaries, and films. Its blend of daring, skill, and the dramatic backdrop of a city at war captures the imagination, making it a subject of enduring fascination. Conclusion: a heist that echoes through time. Decades on, the British Bank of the Middle East robbery remains shrouded in mystery and intrigue. Its true architects, the full extent of the loot, and the fate of the stolen wealth continue to be subjects of speculation and intrigue. In the world of high-stakes heists, it stands as a testament to the audacity of criminals who capitalize on chaos, and a reminder to institutions of the relentless need for vigilance and preparedness. In the final analysis, the heist transcends the mere act of robbery. It is a historical event that reflects the complexities of its time, a bold intersection of crime and political tumult, and a narrative that continues to captivate and educate.